would say the number one tip for converting attendees is going to be, getting to know them before the course. If you're in person, talking to them, getting to know their personal lives a little bit so you can kind of connect the dots throughout the presentation. And if it's online, as people are joining and have, a 10-minute session at the beginning, just to get to know them and ask questions. And, even if it's, what are you doing this weekend? Do you have plans for the summer or for the winter? Just getting to know their personal lives is always going to allow you to connect what you're talking about to them and help them convert over. The second thing I would say is, at the very beginning, go ahead and talk about that third session, right? Don't say it's an option or, hey, if you would like to, you can sign up for a one-on-one session. Go ahead and use assumptive verbiage. Like, let's go ahead and sign up, space is limited. It makes it, a little bit more scarce, and people tend to go towards things that are more scarce. So when you're presenting that third session lab, that one-on-one session that's complimentary, make it assumptive, like assume they're going to, and say, let's go ahead and get you signed up. Time is limited, space is limited, and then move forward. So those would be my two biggest tips on converting attendees in your class.